everybody to look in this direction. That's how you do it. Alright, Central Cafe. We're about to get some refreshments. Today we're going to head over to the zoo. It's in continuation of Maceo and Marissa's birthday celebration. So we're here, Central Cafe here in the CD. Let's go. Welcome, thank you. You as well. Alright, so we got our membership, or not our membership, we got our, oh, I gotta keep this on. I don't think they're doing maps right now. You have to do it by your phone, probably. Oh. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'll find you guys. Alright, so anyways, I was saying, we got the online tickets. We got the online tickets, and then, you have to go in within the hour that you have a time slot. So we picked 12:30, and Maxine had a orthodontist appointment that went 80 minutes. So we were really close. We were 5 minutes until the 1:30 deadline. So we made it in time. We're all wearing masks. Check it out. And now we're gonna enjoy the day here at the zoo. Check this out. You actually have to follow the path, which is kind of cool, because then you might be able to hit everything. It's only one way. One way. And masks are required at all times. Masks required at all times. Once again, our resident cartographer. Well, no, cartographers actually make the maps, right? They also use them. Of course, I would assume so. All right. Look at the one sitting down. Alright, so today at the zoo, I'm filming right now on my Sony a6300 with my Rokinon 12mm lens, so I get the wide shot. So all day I'm only gonna do wide shots. I know that you're at the zoo and you're like, why don't you do a close-up or a zoom lens? But I didn't want to. I just want to do wide shots. So with that said, you're actually gonna have to come to the zoo and visit it yourself to see the animals close up. And what you're watching right now is on the GoPro Hero 3, and we're gonna do some more exploring with all the lenses. In a bag though? I forgot oh.
Mama said, you're a pretty girl. What's in your head? It doesn't matter. Brush your hair, fix your teeth, what you wear is all that matters. Just another stage, pageant the pain away. This time I'm gonna take the crown without falling down, down, down.
That's funny. So we were standing there, just me and Maceo left and some other people. And the rhinoceros farted, and I was like, oh great, nice fart. And then bam, the smell just came all the way over to us. And we were like, oh my god, let's get out of here.
But you can't fix what you can't see. It's the soul that needs a surgery. Lumber hair, bigger is better. South Beach, sugar free. Vogue says thinner is better. Just another stage. Pageant the pain away. This time I'm gonna take the crown without falling down.
Hella standing. Whoa! Alrighty, so hold on. Downtown Seattle, from the zoo, Woodland Park, to downtown Seattle. I've got to get a raffle for a pair of Jordans from the Nordstrom, and we're gonna go get a snack at Pike Place Market, which is that way. They're both that way. Alrighty, I got my name in the raffle. You see right here. There's a line. There's actually stanchions and ropes to get that. Put your name in the raffle, and then they'll call me tomorrow to see if I'm a winner. All right, who wants one?
I want one.
That. Hi. What do you want? We'll go 3 of these. Yep. And then, how many of those? 3?